How to fix picture-in-picture mode not working on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. So if you're having trouble using PIP mode, I've got simple solution for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the settings app, simply search for picture in picture mode. And on the search result, simply tap on that option. And here, simply scroll down through the apps and tap on YouTube. And here, make sure that this option is toggled on. And now you have toggled on the PIP mode for YouTube. Let's head to the next step, that is to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. So simply go to the app settings, and once you are here, simply you can uninstall the apps. And once you have done that, you can simply install it back again. And if there is any update available right there, you can simply update the YouTube app. Sometimes the update can fix the glitches and bugs. And if it still doesn't solve your problem, you can simply shut down your phone and restart it again. You don't know, sometimes a simple shutdown can clear major bugs and glitches. And that's it. That's how you can fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.